Superman in the sky. Please recommend clown action.
Start with a blush balloon and pump it up. Tie your knot. Start with a pinch twist, an 8cm bubble, and another pinch twist. Now another 8cm bubble, and one more 8cm bubble to finish the head off. You can now cut off the rest of the blush balloon and tie a knot. Now with your black balloon to make his hair, pump up your black balloon and tie a knot. Tie it to one end of the pinch twists and make an 8cm bubble and twist it onto the other pinch twist. Make a 3cm bubble and a 6cm bubble to make the parting of his hair. You can now cut the rest of the black balloon off and tie your knot. Now onto the body. Pump up your blue 260 balloon, tie your knot, and tie it to one of his ears. Now pump up your 260 red balloon, tie your knot, and tie it to his other ear. Now onto a slightly difficult bit. Push the two balloons until they meet up in the middle underneath the head and twist them together. Make two 6cm bubbles with the blue balloon and tie it back up to his head. This makes the torso. Now once again, squeeze the red and blue balloon underneath his torso. Using the red balloon, make 4 pinch twists to make his waist. You can now cut off the rest of the red balloon. Tie a knot and hide the knot within the 4 pinch twists. Now to make his legs, make a 7cm bubble, a pinch twist, and a loop twist. Make a 2cm bubble for the spacer, a pinch twist, a loop twist, and another 7cm bubble, and tie it back up to his waist. Cut off the rest of the balloon, but make sure to save it. Now into his arms. Using the previous blue balloon, pump up a balloon and make a 14 centimeter bubble and tie your knot. Fold it in half and find the middle, and then twist it. So now you have two 7 centimeter bubbles. Squeeze his arms under his head between the head and the torso to form his arms. And the twisting part is done. Now on to the drawing. Use a black marker to draw a swirl for his hair, and draw his eyes and his mouth. Using a white marker, draw in the highlights and the eye whites. Use a pink for blush and blue for his iris. If you have a paint marker, use a red one to draw on his symbol, but if not, you can use a white marker to trace a symbol out and then fill it in with red. Now use yellow to fill in that symbol. And your Superman is done.
Wow, Superman flew to me. I think I should put him next to Two-Face. If you like my channel, please comment, like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell button. Thank you. Bye-bye.